Hey, what's up guys? My name is Justin, and these are the Womier Keycaps. I was browsing for some keycaps on Amazon the other day and found this set in this nice green gradient. I wanted to give my thoughts and impressions on them as I'm putting them onto my keyboard, and yeah, let's talk about it. So these are MOA keycaps. They come in that profile style. These are the green. They are dye sublimation type, made out of PBT plastic as well. They also come in these nice purple and red gradients. This red really gives off the effect of Shadow the Hedgehog. They also have these Japanese characters on them. I don't understand anything about Japanese. I don't read Japanese. I don't write Japanese. I don't even speak Japanese. But they still look cool. So let's get unboxing. I already went through the process of lubing my switches and didn't record it because I hate myself, but that process took a long time, especially for 108 key switches on a full-size keyboard. That's right, I am putting these on a full-size keyboard. I am that type of guy. By the way, these are the switches I used. These are the ACO V3 Creamy Black Pro keyboard switches. And my overall experience with them, it has been pretty good. These are really nice switches. I highly recommend you guys go check out ACO switches made by ACO. They sound amazing, they feel amazing, and they also come pre-lubed, so you can save you the trouble of lubing them. You can check them out at the link below in the description. Everything I talk about in this video, they all will be linked down in the description. And here's the keyboard I'll be using today. This is the Keychron K10 Pro wireless keyboard. It's a GMK programmable keyboard that you can use for Mac, Windows, or Linux. You can customize the keys and program them using VIA, the website. Seriously, VIA is such a great tool. If anybody's considering getting into custom keyboards, buy yourself a GMK or VIA programmable keyboard. They are so nice. So anyway, yeah, let's get right into assembling the keys onto the keyboard. That was easy. But anyways, here's a closer look at the keys. They really do look much better in person than they do in the pictures. And so now finally, let's get a sound test. So yeah, keycaps have been installed, and overall I'm pretty pleased with how they have ended up turning out. The only complaint I would have is I wish they included more macro keycaps, but you know, it's not a big deal. I can keep the ones I have right now, and if need be, I'll just go get new ones, or like custom, just 4 custom keys I think it is. Overall, I do recommend this brand. This is a good brand. Again, I've linked everything I've used in this video down below in the description, and I hope you guys try them out. Also, give the Keychron K10 Pro a try as well. Very beginner-friendly keyboard right out of the box, as well as the ACO switches, especially since they come pre-lubed, and I cannot stress this enough, how much time that saves you. Yeah. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe, as well as hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. See you in the next one.